Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a SolidWorks software, and today discuss here a very important topics is discuss here. And this ball bearing is complete here, and all is looking perfect, and all is assemble part. Today discuss here a motion study in is very important parts of this is a motion, and this body is how to rotate. This is a direction is upward and this is a downward, and all is looking perfect. Today discuss here this part is motion study, and all parts is designed here easily in this. The all is one by one part is learn here, and you can see here all parts is easily designed, and also assemble is also learn here in this tutorial is available here, and all parts is separately designed. This is a outward part, and this is a inward part, and this is a case of ball bearing, and this is a ball, and this is a rivet. All is a one by one is topic is available in this tutorial, and you go to you you can see here in this tutorial, and one by one is all topics is easily learn here. Okay, today discuss here a motion study here, and this is a how to this is a rotate inward and outside direction is easily learn here. Okay okay at first this is a new motion study is click here, and this is a okay, and this is a motor is at first click, and all point is setting here, and this is a component direction is click, this okay, direction is a rotate, this direction is you can see here, and okay, motion is 100 rpm is available here, but this is a 10 rpm is correct. Okay, this body is this is a rotate a 10 rpm correct, and all is looking perfect, and click okay, and how to set this time is available here, and this is a 10 second. This body is rotate 10 second is correct, and click okay, this is a perfect, and this is a correct. Okay, and click this, and this body is rotate automatic. Okay, and you can see here easily motor is start here, and this body is rotate easily and clearly. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, this is a perfect, and also this is a okay, this is a direction is a one axis. Okay, this is a correct change here, and direction is a this is a correct. Okay, this is a direction is this is a change. Okay, and all is correct. Playback mode okay, reciprocate again select here, and this is a correct, on all is looking perfect. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect looking here, and one is also correct, and this is a correct, but this is a 1 rpm is better. Okay, you can see here easily change here. Okay, and this is a playback mode reciprocate is this is a direction is outward, and this is a playback mode is normal, and playback mode loop, and this is a playback mode is reciprocate. And today discuss here all point is discuss here, and this point is a playback mode reciprocate. This is a direction is automatically okay change here. Okay, this is a perfect looking here, and all is a best. Okay, and this direction playback mode is normal, then click this, and all point is correct. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, and click reciprocate, then this is a perfect, and this direction is also correct. Okay, this is a correct, but okay, normal is correct. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay guys, all point is discussed here. This is a motion is a new motion a study, you can see here, easily discuss here. And guys, I hope you will learn this is a very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.